Hey everyone, Peter here, out in the garage shop. Just doing a little quickie video about something I've been doing for the last couple of days. A friend of mine, Eric, he bought this Montesa 250 VR, and this is the frame to it right here. This used to be, this monstrosity here, used to be the subframe that was on it. I removed it and then took a donor subframe from a 250 Automix, which to some of you that doesn't mean a lot, but what it is basically, it's a road-going version of the VR motocrosser with lights and turn signals and, you know, the usual DOT compliant stuff. Anyway, so what I did, it's kind of obvious, but I took it off at the 4 points. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, one there and another one there. And so we put this on in place of it. I don't know if we can get this thing to focus a little better. Maybe not. Well, at any rate, welded it back on and took off the brackets that it didn't need and things like that. And almost done. Gonna have to put some airbox mounts in it. But at any rate, so that was a nice little fab job, kind of tedious. Took me about, I don't know, 8 hours to remove both subframes without destroying the one that's getting put on, or I should say the one that I did put on. So yeah, it's almost done. Hopefully Eric will like it. I think it came out pretty nice. So that's it. I may do another little shorty video after the mounts are in for the airbox, which is, let me get this out of the way. Oops, sorry about that. This is the airbox right here, and it goes in like this, like that. And so it'll get a mount here. There's another hole there. There's one over there, if I get my finger out of the way, right there. And then there's another one back here, which means that there'll be a mount coming off this frame tube with a bend in it to go there. The other pieces are all straight, so that's a fairly straightforward proposition to put the box in, the air box, and then we're done. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're prone to it. I'd sure appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. And that's it till next time.